Hello and welcome to Victor Shamaki, and in this video tutorial we're going to look at how to create a new workspace or new document in Abomat. So basically we've said that Abomat is a plugin in Microsoft Word that aids in formatting and help you reduce your research stress by 40%. So we're taking that turn to understand. The last video we look at the interface and we look at how to navigate the ribbons and the panels within the Abomat. So in this we just want to look at how to create a template or how to open a new document in Abomat. So we already know that this is where Abomat, like I said in the last video, where the Abomat is. So once you click on it, it takes you into the Abomat. So once you are on the Abomat, what you want to do next is to go and create template. So that's the first thing you need to do when you are on the Abomat. So I click on create template. Now on the template they're asking you what program. Don't forget the Abomat is the ABU formatting standard. So that's what I'm using, but the entire plugin is called Unimats, where other schools have their own. So everything I'm going to be creating here is in standard and in line with or in guideline of ABU research formatting standard. So they're asking for programs. So in the program we have the Bachelors of Science, Bachelors of Art, Bachelors of Education, Bachelors of Technology, and Bachelors of Agric, Bachelors of Law, Bachelors of Engineering, Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Doctor of Veterinary. Now this is Doctor of Pharmacy now. I think these two should be Doctor of Medicine or whatever. Alright, so this is Postgraduate Diploma and Professional Masters. This is Masters of Science, Masters of Art, Masters of Education, Masters of Law, Masters of Philosophy, Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, and others. So it depends on which program you are running at the moment. So I'm going to pick Masters of Science. So the reporting types is basically whether you're writing a full report. If you're writing a full report, that means you're writing a full research or a project, seminar papers, journals, paper, assignment, and others. So all of this have already been embedded into it according to how the school wants it. All right. So let's pick full report. Now the next is it a 5-chapter format or a 6-chapter format? ABU uses 5-chapter format. I've not seen anywhere we use 6-chapter, but it's possible there are. So we're going to pick the 5 chapters, and finally we're going to click on OK. So it will take a minute. Abomat is setting, and once that minute is over, you're going to see that it has created the formatting. So this is how to open a new document. So basically you're going to see background of study, statement of the problem, is statement of the research problem. So you're going to edit this. So aim and objectives, that's all that are in chapter 1, justification of the study, scope of the study. In my department, geomatics, we have other things like the study area, which we have locational extent, we have and geography, we have geology, we have soil, we have population, socioeconomics, all of that you describe them under the study area. Then chapter 2, literature review, chapter 3, materials and method, and chapter 4, results and discussion, and finally chapter 5, summary, conclusion, and recommendation. So this have created a template and you begin to fill in. So that's how to create a new document or create a template in Abomat or in Unimats. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.